Have you ever thought about how to get rid of all those annoying notifications on YouTube? In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly and easily turn off all notifications on YouTube. Whether you want to focus on watching your favorite video content or simply want some peace, this guide is the perfect solution for you. So, let's get started with the process. The first thing you need to do is open the settings on your phone. When you are in the settings, scroll down, find the apps option, and tap on it to open. When you're in the apps section, you will see a list of all the installed applications on your device. You need to find the YouTube app, so for quick and easy locating, tap the search icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, type YouTube, then tap on the app. When you are on the app info page, in the privacy section, tap on the notifications option. And finally, just tap the switch next to allow notifications, and that's it. After you turn it off, you will no longer receive notifications from YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my new video.